Khubor penyat Shnong ya ke Mawbah balum sopok jalupara ringkat ki ofisar na cantonment board kila Hiar ban Jurip ban pet sani ya ke Shillong jingman ke Shnong kathau ha ke arpoi terik kuleber. Hadin bigla yo bun ki jingot na ke Jingjyllei ki nong hai Drok ki briu ki basyong thap bean bat ke Jingkhapngiah ki surok bat lentiat briu. Hadin beladap Jurip urang bak Shnong ke Mawbah bat lum sopok ula batai hakilak patai Khubor ya ke Jingtemu jong kini ke Jurip bat ke pet sani ke Shnong kathau ha kini ke sengi. Khubor Shnong kalau ujor sya office cantonment board ya ke Jingjyllei ki nong khai bat nong di Drok ke Jingkhapngiah ki surok bat ki lentiat briu belatur palat ki dukan bat ki nong di rut surok. Hakini ke Jurip la syam da shisha hakilat berkidong jong kini ki artli ki Shnong Mawbah balum sopho kila jelei da ka jaklia ba ka jabo ka bala isat met ban pet habayat lenti kini ki Shnong. La syam rubun ki briu ki basyong thap bean bat la subab ki briu ki bawana Khuborjylla ki bamdon ki kot kisla. Kini ke Jingkhapngiah ki ying syong ying sa ki la kharoi ya ke jabo ba jaklia ha kini ki Shnong. Namar bombiang ki borsin syar ki briu ha kini ki Shnong ki la Khubngiah iki surok da ka penyeng kali ha baro arliang surok ka balebo iki kali ki balet bawan bat iki briu ki jing beponcat amtang kata ki kena ki syam jing ban kiar kali ha por lit school men step bat ka por wan pai ying ha por no sngi kermen hadin gini ke lit Jurip ki bor Shnong bat ka office cantonment board kin pin mi ka jing patha bat jing manai ki pat ba ban suk kalit kawan ka syong ka sa ha Mawbah bat halum sopho.
As well today, I would say my team as well. So if we miss anything, then we can give a rating. But you are.
Interview लेना
Mau kerja pina.
Coba nak patai tindak habis bakan ni kajing wan inspection mentara sengi.
Ini ke inspection ke bah nyewan das ni. Na kaji dia kajing hadin kajing ujor na kaliang ni kita bar Shnong. Bedon ni na kaliang i rampak Shnong ke orang sopok. Mat ni na Mawbah. Undu bakan ni kajing ujor kajing ni na kapor sopok habis dia bakan containment area. Kani ke bah ni keran mentara sini kalau hadir kajing cakot ini. Hau CEO menyong menyatai batu inspect ini area kalau kejing ujor tu bah nila air lagi banai pula ada. Te NEHU step nila ilet te kaya syong kapo office ini. Mat adin kata nila wan sing ni jaka ban site inspection ban BE kita kejing sniu ya kejing ujor ba ni kedem kidor ba unjur kinong Shnong kejing Shnong ba marjan. Kapan kong hi bangi bu kejing ujor kaya be Drok. Drok tu kuma ni tim naduk isi ba kipanai peladap kisnang peladap ru nak kedang ka jongi kita ba Shnong sing Samla unjuru ki sang balang ki badan sikini ki Shnong ki ba marjan ba ni nilai tere banrat engkong ini ki jing sniu hang ni ni ki sembai keran tang Drok ndai ngi keran ru ki influx kini ki illegal settler ki ba syong ini ki area joka containment board te unjuru ki jing jabo kini ki area ke ba ki kum ki press ki media la sakhi unjur ki jing syong ni ki bri syong bean ini ki caka kibangi kini kebai segmen adu kata-kata tin kalian kejungi hadin kejung inspection kumjur bai CEO mania kalian kejungi hi ke arbar iko apa nai kubleiru yo CEO kumjur ke police department di SPCD kibalai dan ringkat lang ban dia inspect yang ni you mana kalian kejungki kila ai ke insurance nak kaptam nak kalian CEO bon sesiem ki lat kelenti habis dia begini di sini borok ke badan ini ke Shnong lima marzan juni dai
Dari kendiat Namar gi imenya ka Jingwan inspection jong PCR mi sai rong istu ki jaka ka tu kan ni. Tu pula a Jingwan em ki ai bakin buat ni kita kamera sen lani ki ai ha kom gitu ki jaka ki bakam kendang ni.
Oh nya kalian kejung CEO hi kalong ba insurance ulai wang begini install ki CCTV lagi ni ki jaka ki ba ni so tu hi begidan kita ki jing sini nakapor sa Khubor Namar kam dei so kesen ke beningkong hari kebabu ni kijing sini bami kade ni kini area kajing syakam tho ingi Shnong iba marjan pada kade na kani hi Namar kani kade entrance jong ini Shnong jongi iba marjan lagi brio kiyo aban kan tho kimi kijing kanu kijing sini kapoi pada kajing syakam tho lang ni tenggal yang kejungki habai dei bagi CCTV habai dei bagi manpower habai dei baka ini street light long ulai ke insurance bangun sale gini ki ba dan kamban le gini ki area ki jung
Dari kendiat habar kin habe dei bakin ni ki ba sabi an man ang ba let's say akan
jual apa itu?
kumba kat nu ai kumba kat nu pot ai u CEO la ai ka jing kular ba un le pulang kam habe dei bakin ni.
Mentan bakut kumba ya karan siapa ni awai ini ka inspection di naliang CEO la ai jing karan mentan ba ki basuk ngini apen kloy ki bakham pada ngini ya face wise kum ka yu te ka assurance kalong more or less ba kalong assurance kalong 100% ba ki ong ba kin ya ram bakini ya chmat ban eradicate ya kanika jingsni abadan kanika cantonment area to ka ya ka badai bat ka ya ka ong ka CCTV camera installation of CCTV camera dam ta he ga bodum kin ai dikini solar light e o ka assurance kila a kin sele naliang tu ka cantonment board but kunjur ngi ai kani ka ngi ai kublei naliang bro ar ki dorbar ba hadin ba iso mau ngi lai le complain ki katno posien city ki katno sien ngi lai ai te hadin ko tu ba kani ka sai so ba hadin ki kani ba ro fan CEO khot kani ka meeting kunjur bat ka joint inspection te ngi ai kublei you CEO cantonment bat ka board bagi lawan inspect la pelak por kenang bagi lai i hiru tu CEO dal dia lai i la point out ong hoot hidden kijing duna ba hai bikin baik te kita
Te kendiat pada nak pada kaliang jong pi ka dor ba Shnong ni semba ka senjam habe dei bakan ni bantel la kami kini jing sneo kani ka Jingwan rong Jingwan sabi an kini ki brio kani jaka
kumbola ong i rong ba Shnong jaka Mawbah ba ni nakapor sa kapor bangile uja ile ai ka complain sa cantonment sa DC na sa SP kadi kamdei tang nam ta ka drugs nam ta gini ki illegal settler mo kini gidi ki floating population ngani thu ipi kini ki jaka cantonment area ngani thu ipi kila along ki jaka ri tengan ye gini ki Khubor ki bomdan kotsla but premtep bakilong kumno ki te ho nangni khman bakila ong bakin se shim ki senjam ba kin sedang regulate te let's say hang tu hakaturu kinsa khotlang ye guys no tingi we are always there bang ini era namta ka ha kam kas namta
If you can tell us about this inspection that you are having today.
So as I have told you before also, we have done a joint inspection today. In fact, we are doing also some part is left. We have identified all the areas where CCTV can be placed. Police department officers are there, and also the local governments we have deployed. And mostly we have identified those places where illegal activities are made. And in the short while, we will try to place CCTV as soon as possible. Also, there are places where illegal people are settling. So we will try to have a knockdown. We'll try to
So when this action will be taken?
very soon. It will be after this inspection. There will be a minutes will be issued, and then within a month or couple of months it will be issued.
So there seems to be a lot of illegal encroachment in certain parts. So how do you plan to deal with those?
All the encroachments will be dealt very heavily. Notices will be issued, FIR will be issued, and action will be taken as per law.
Okay. And whether will there be any more joint inspection or after this direct action?
Yes, we have identified some areas where parking issue is going on. So we have identified that we will need to involve SP traffic and traffic department. So maybe one more inspection on traffic bus. Otherwise, then the illegal issues, CCTV and action will be taken.
Okay. And regarding this illegal settlers, where are you planning to shift them?
All the illegal settlers first will be given warning. As per the Rehabilitation Act, we need to give them some land. So that we need to talk with the state government. How can we rehabilitate?
When can we expect CEO in action?
Very soon. Very soon.
So, like with regards to the law and order situation here, do you think like CCTVs can play a vital role in addressing the concerns, and what your plans?
Yes, CCTV will definitely play a very vital role because those CCTV will be monitored by the Integrated Smart City Project and we will have a license with police department to have a continuous 24/7 monitoring on them also.
And so, like cleanliness also seems to be a major concern in this area. Sir. How are you planning to do that?
We will be using all our resources to clean all the vegetations and we will try to make it a good revenue source also by thinking of parking also. So we will chart out a plan after this particular inspection. We will chart out a plan and we will.
So in 1 month we can see the difference.
Yes, within 1 month we will see the difference.